Alright guys, this is going to be a pretty simple railfanning video here today. We're at Manitou Station again in the winter time. This will be a fairly short trip because I wanted to come out here and catch that brand new Heritage Unit Metro North P32-222, the New York Hartford Railroad Special Heritage Unit today. So we're just going to have a quick see while we're out here, and we'll see whatever else goes through here while we're here as well. Should be a simple but yet still a fun video, so stay tuned for the action that we do get here at Manitou. Looks like we're catching multiple Heritage units today, because look what's coming up. Central Heritage Unit. Well, today's certainly a good day to catch all the Heritage units on the Hudson line. Second one I caught so far, New Haven Heritage unit. And I'm expecting a third one today. Oh wow, it's got two engines again. These P-42s on the Hudson line are starting to become kind of common. But especially for Ethan Allen, it makes sense. All right, here comes our awaited Heritage unit, train 841. Isn't she a beauty? That was awesome. Well, as fun as everything is, unfortunately, I do have a time crunch right now, so I do have to get going. But thank you all so much for tuning into this short railfanning video. We still got quite a bit, actually, especially with the heritage units. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more new videos. Stay safe out there, and keep on rolling.